folks, I have a banjo uke to show you today. This is number 967. It's a concert scale banjo uke, and it's almost all made of koa wood. This is all koa from Lizanne's grandfather. He bought it to make clock cases, and so I like to call it clockmaker's koa. I was able to use lots of curly stuff for the rim, which I think looks awesome. And then the neck is some straighter grain stuff, but there's some curl in it. And then some maple contrasting stripes everywhere to offset the koa. And koa up here as well. And koa for the bridge. It's a very cheerful and chipper banjo uke. I'm enjoying playing it a lot. Yeah, it's really sweet. Yeah, I like using this koa. It's an honor to get to use this wood from Hawaii. And so, yeah, I'll donate to plant some koa trees in Hawaii after we sell this instrument to the customer, like I always do. There's 967, ready to go. Cheers.